Hello students, we meet again in the discussions of the grammar about the simple, compound and complex sentences. What are simple, compound and complex sentences? Whenever you want to write grammatically correct content, it is very important to understand the sentence formations correctly. To understand about sentences, you should first know the three different types of sentences. In the English grammar, in the text, in any paragraph that you read, there is no single sentence out of the three kinds of the sentences. They are simple, compound, and complex forms. Here is a brief explanations about the use of the simple, compound, and complex sentences. After you understand these explanations, you read again the PDF file, and after that you can do the Google quiz to elaborate, to enhance your understanding. We start with the simple sentences. The classifications of sentence is based on its clause structure. What is the structure of the simple sentence? In the simple sentence, there is only one independent clause, the structure, and one only independent clause. There is no dependent clause here. It means that there is only one part, and the part can stand by its own, and the part can give one complete meaning. The meaning is complete. The simple sentences, normally with the use of one unit of the subject and one unit of the predicate. The example that you can see, like I play on the ground, Jack and Jill went up the hill, the teacher is in the classroom. The three examples here, all of them with only one single subject. I play on the ground, the subject is only one. Why? I. Jack and Jill went up the hill. The subject is Jack and Jill. Yes, Jack and Jill is combined with conjunction and, but still considered as one unit of subject. The teacher is in the classroom. The subject is the teacher. There is also only one predicate in each sentence. I play on the ground with the subject I and the predicate play. Jack and Jill went up the hill. The predicate is went up. And the teacher is in the classroom with the predicate is. We move to the compound sentences. The structure of the compound sentence is always with a combination of two independent clauses. Two independent clauses. The meaning is the two independent clauses will be combined, will be coordinated, mixed up with the coordinating conjunctions. What are they? The coordinating conjunctions like and, for, but, nor, yet, so, and or. You can also use the semicolon instead of using the coordinating conjunctions. Some examples in the box that you can see. I ran quickly, but I missed the bus. The wife cooked and the husband cleaned the dishes. It was raining heavily, so I closed the doors. There was a terror alert in the city. Curfew was announced with immediate effect. Note that when independent clauses are joined, they need a coordinating conjunction, but, and, so, and semicolons as mentioned and used in the box. And 2 independent clauses, like I ran quickly, the wife cooked, it was raining heavily, there was a terror alert near the city. And the other sides, I missed the bus. The husband cleans the dishes. I closed the doors. Curfew was announced with immediate effect. They are all independent clauses. The next one, or the last kinds of the example, is the complex sentence. A complex sentence is widely used, and it always used to show the quality of your understanding in grammatical sentences. Especially in the essay writing, the complex sentence will be graded with high score. The structure of this sentence is always with one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Dependent clauses, it cannot stand by itself. Or with the subordinating conjunctions, or with the relative conjunction. The dependent clauses can be adverbial clauses, noun clauses, adjective clauses. You can ask the questions with when, where, why, how. You can also ask with who, and whom, and which. When you use them all, that's all the questions to mention. It should be the subordinating connectors inside. What are they? The dependent clause and independent clauses join with connectors or subordinating connectors. They are like although, though, since, therefore, whenever, wherever, when, which, so that, until, after, before, because, and if, and there are still other connectors or subordinating connectors you can add up here as the examples. Some of these examples of the complex sentences are: I feel sleepy whenever I take a book. My car stopped at the school building, which was red and huge. When your doctor tells you something, listen to him fully. I wore a sweater because the weather was too cold. You can see the different use of the colors here. The red color, it is with independent clause. The blue color with connectors. And the green color with dependent clause. By knowing the uses, the kinds, the functions, and having the ability to use the simple, compound, and complex sentences will help you to express your mind, your idea, precisely, effectively, grammatically in the spoken English or in the written form. I hope this article or these explanations will help you to use English fluently. I think that's all about the explanation of the complex sentence, compound and simple. If you still have questions, you can ask for your teachers in the GC or other social media. Thank you, stay healthy, and see you for the next discussions. Bye-bye.